Bang, bang. Oh, first time with a hat. Hopefully it doesn't look too bad. Hey, what's going on, you guys? It's Brandon. I'm here with another video for you guys today. It's a little bit of an update, sad news slash however you want to take it. But it's talking about our newest update on the $100 to $100,000 challenge that I'm doing on Robinhood. And now I explain it a little bit once I hop onto the screen, but I just wanted to clarify it here too, just that way you guys know. Last week, I put out a video on Friday explaining what happened throughout the week. And when I uploaded the video, for whatever reason, the audio file didn't want to go up with it, so there was no sound on the video. And so I had to delete the video, and it just wasn't working for me, so I had to not put up the video on Friday. So because of that, I don't want you guys to think that I am trying to hide the details, hide the truth. I definitely am not. I'm trying to be as transparent as possible with this challenge. So what happened is I lost everything. I went from $100 to like $1.96 or whatever it was. And the reason is just because I had poor risk management. And I was trying to make up the gains so that way I didn't lose all the money to show you guys on that Friday. But what ended up happening was I overtraded and I got in my head too much and I had poor risk management. And because of that, I lost all the money in the account. And as much as I don't like to show that I lose, I'm going to, because that's being transparent and that's the reality of trading options and just trading in general. Everybody takes losses. Some people like to show them, but vast majority of people don't like to show you the bad parts of trading. And that's why I'm here. I just want to bring transparency to everything, because there are a few good people there that show you a lot of your trade or a lot of their trades, but there's a huge chunk of people that only show their winners, trying to get you to join stuff to pay a lot of money for. And that's not what I'm about. I'm about trying to show you small tactics that work and try to really learn stuff on your own, so that way you don't need those things. Because yeah, it's nice to have a group of Discord or things along those lines, but at the end of the day, I don't want you guys relying on anybody but yourselves. Because if you're able to be self-reliant, then you're good to go. You don't need anybody else to listen to. Now, you can always hear people's opinions, ideas. That's always great to have. The more people you can hear from, the better it is. But I don't want you guys thinking and relying on the fact that you have to pay to get these things. And on the other side of the coin, when you're by yourself, there's a little bit more pressure, and you could lose all your money or a chunk of your money like I did this week. But I just want to go to show you guys that if you guys stick to it, even though you may have some bad weeks, as long as you stay consistent and keep grinding and learning in different aspects, you're going to make it as a trader. And that's point blank, end of story. Now, it may take a year, maybe even longer for some of you guys. But at the end of the day, as long as you're really committed to this and you want to be consistent and learning, you'll make it. It's just all about your determination and your risk management and discipline. Now, obviously, again, this week I didn't really show that, but that's okay, because this week I'm going to go into it with even more discipline, more risk management, and try to implement those things in order to grow my account to show you guys. So, gosh, I just went off on a little tangent there. I am so sorry about that. But before we get into the meat of the video, showing you guys the account, some simple stuff I'm showing you this week, please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to be as transparent as I can with you guys. I'm trying to grow accounts, teach you some basics with options or trading or finance in general. So if you are interested in any of those things, please subscribe to my channel. It goes a long way in helping me out. I'm trying to get on the path to really take YouTube off, but anyways, that's getting way ahead of myself. I still have a ways to go. But okay, let's just get into the video. Hey guys, so welcome back to the Robinhood, new and improved. For some odd reason, on Friday I uploaded an update video of how I lost all of it. and I uploaded the video, and for whatever reason, there wasn't any sound attached to it, so I had to delete the video. So, try not to lie to you guys. I'll show you the week chart. I basically lost that whole $100. So what I did is I just put in another $100 for today, or for this week, I should say, to get going. Now it's a little bit more over 100. This $1.96 is just what I had left over, but I put in the $100 too late, so it's whatever. But today, I'm just gonna be talking about my goals, what I'm gonna be looking for, and just kind of get into it. So, as usual, my goal for this week for this account is going to be between 10 and 15%. So I'm going to give myself a little slack this week and just say I have $100. So I'm shooting anywhere from $110 to about $115. And now this week I'm going to try to be a lot better about trying to only hit my goal and not trying to go above and beyond. Because I could have hit $300 last week if I was held on to my stuff, but anyways, that's not important right now. That's in the past. So this week I'm just going to be looking at probably just doing a spread, and depending on how SPY acts today, because it's kind of wanting to break out a little bit, especially if it just rips up today, I'm probably going to be looking at doing a call spread on this. Maybe. I don't know. I'm a little hesitant on it because it's a little worrisome. But I might even play Apple on a spread because they've had some pretty hard resistance around 125. But yes. So again, with this challenge is I'm going to label it probably week 1 again, just because last week was a huge dud. But I won't hide it from you guys. I'll be very honest that I lost all that money in that week. So if you guys ever ask, I'll show you it. I won't be opposed to it. I'm just going to label it week 1 and restart from here on my $100 to $100,000 journey. Hopefully I can get something going here, so that way you guys can see what you can actually really do with options with $100. So again, that's the main thing with this challenge is I just want to show you guys that you are able to, excuse me, that you are able to actually do something with $100 with options. Now, with options, you don't need thousands of dollars to make money. You only need to start with like $100. And sometimes you lose money like this. But other times, if you play it smart and you have right risk management, which I did not do here, you can grow your account a lot. Now, it's just something to look forward to. Now, oh my goodness. Excuse me, I'm having some troubles here. Now, if you guys want to, you guys can drop down comments on if you want me to play anything in particular or what you guys are looking out for. And maybe I'll play it, maybe I won't, but it'll give me something to keep my eyes on as I'm trying to grow this account slowly but surely. So any input would be greatly appreciated from you guys. And what I'm going to be doing now is instead of uploading these on Friday, I'm going to be uploading them on Monday. So the one you're going to be seeing today is on Monday, obviously. So it's just going to be recapping the week before and kind of showing you what I'm going to be looking for in this week to come. So like I said, I'm probably going to be playing SPY on going up against the upside as long as it rips up a ton today. If it rips up a ton today, I'm definitely going to do a call spread. But if it kind of consolidates, I'm going to be a little bit more wary of it. And then other than that, I might look at DraftKings if they have any news. I might sell some premium on that because they had some pretty interesting legislation. And then I'm still going to be looking at, I don't have enough money to really play Boeing unless I do a very high risk credit spread. But I may look into doing that. Who knows? Then other than that, Airbnb's been down. All my other things have been down. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini update, mini video. So, if you have any comments, questions, concerns about the challenge, please drop them below, and thank you. Okay, so hopefully that was clear enough for you guys, basic enough for you guys to kind of understand and follow. If it was, drop a like on it and comment what you guys are wanting to play this week. Let me know. I'm very interested to see what you guys have to say, honestly, because at this point in the market, I don't know, it's getting a little crazy for me because it has run up so much that the market's been so resilient. You think it's never going to go down, but at some point it has to have some kind of pullback, right? I don't know. Maybe that's just my inner bear in me coming out, but please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. As like I said at the beginning of the video, it goes such a long way for my channel. It really helps me reach out to others. And if you like this content, share it with your friends if you feel so inclined to, or just keep watching. I just really love all the interaction you guys can give me, all the views and likes. It's so cool when you guys watch my videos. I think it's the most amazing thing. But with all of that being said, thank you guys for watching and have a great rest of your day. See ya.